Samsung unveiling several new products at an event in Paris.
Rich DeMuro in Paris has details in today's Rich on Tech.
Samsung continues to evolve and expand its ecosystem. The company showed off two newly polished versions of its foldable phones, but also introduced two completely new products, an ultra version of its smartwatch and a smart ring that tracks your health 24/7. Samsung in the City of Light. The company brought me to Paris for Galaxy Unpacked.
Welcome to Samsung Galaxy Unpacked.
Samsung has been making foldable devices since 2019. This is their 6th generation. They also unveiled a high-end smartwatch and a health tracking ring. Here it is, the first ever Samsung Galaxy Ring. The Z Flip 6 gets two new lenses with more megapixels, putting its pictures on par with the S24. This is a feature called Auto Zoom. If I stand over here, the camera's gonna zoom out to get me in the shot. New interactive wallpapers respond to movements. The battery is also bigger. There are now less trade-offs for choosing this compact flip phone. There is still something so satisfying about ending a call like this. Next up, the Z Fold 6. The phone is slightly shorter and wider and a bit lighter. Overall, it's more comfortable and easier to manage this year. This is the best part about having a foldable phone. Right there. Most camera improvements are in the software processing. Samsung focused efforts on a more durable hinge and screen. New AI features include a way to transform sketches to an image, math problem solving, and translations. Samsung's first ever Galaxy Watch Ultra has extreme water resistance, an extra button, siren, and longer battery life. Plus, it can detect sleep apnea. It's $650. Finally, for 24/7 health tracking, Samsung's first smart ring comes in black, silver, and gold. It can measure sleep, heart rate, temperature, and exercise. Plus, it gives you a daily energy score. Gesture controls let you double pinch to take a photo with your phone, and the rumors were wrong. There is no monthly subscription fee. The ring starts at $400. Samsung's foldable phones continue to improve, but the prices have yet to come down in a meaningful way. In fact, this year's phones are $100 more expensive than last year. The Z Flip 6 is $1,100. The Z Fold 6 is $1,900. The new devices are available July 24th. In Paris, I'm Rich DeMuro. That's Rich on Tech.